What's going on, everybody? My name is Joseph and I have been guiding with Barrier Island Eco Tours for almost 10 years. I'm 21 now and I started when I was 11 years old and I got my captain's license right at 18. I found out real quick that I love being on the water and I really am fulfilled by giving people experiences in the place that I love, and that is the tidal salt marsh. There is so much to offer, and honestly, I always see it as the most overlooked place in our area here in Charleston, because we're usually hustling over on a bridge trying to get over to the beach, when really some of the best natural beauty is right in these marshes. It's gorgeous back here. I figured with this great weather, I would take the time to show you guys one of the best trips that we offer here at Barrier Island Eco Tours. And if I were visiting in the Charleston area, this is the trip I would want to do personally. Right now, we are on the Cut Mullet. This is our boat that offers trips for groups up to 6 people. And it is a phenomenal way to get back into those areas that many of the larger boats cannot get into. The Marsh Maze is, in my opinion, one of the most spectacular places to adventure through. On this excursion, we incorporate a combination of fishing, crabbing, eco tours, cookouts, really whatever you want. You can select just about any activity that you're interested in, and we'll be sure to make it happen. This trip is usually 4 hours long, but you can adjust it based on how long or how little you want to be on the water. We typically start off by cruising through the salt marsh, looking for dolphins, pulling crab traps, spotting birds, pretty much any cool animals that we see, we're looking for them. And then we spend some time fishing for a couple hours. We'll hit a couple different spots. You'll catch all kinds of different species, ranging from redfish, speckled trout, sharks. The list goes on and on. Realistically, there's probably close to 50 different species of fish swimming around down there. And then we head to an uninhabited barrier island where you get to get out of the boat, stretch your legs, walk around, and see all of its unique features. If that doesn't sound like fun to you, I don't know what to tell you, but follow me. I'm gonna give you all a little sneak peek right now. So pretty much all the fishing we do is inshore. We fish with a lot of bait just because that's a great way to catch fish, but for higher experienced anglers, we do quite a bit of artificial fishing. That's what I'm doing right now, especially in the fall when things are clearing up a little bit water-wise, and we've got the fish turning on. They're usually pretty hungry when they feel that water getting cooler, but you can catch fish year-round. We just have to do it a little differently depending on the conditions. We take all experience levels. If you haven't touched a rod in your entire life, this is the trip for you. I love taking people out that just don't know what they're doing and seeing them learn something, seeing them catch that first fish. It's so rewarding. It's why I love my job. And of course, if you're highly experienced, then great, come on out on a boat. Let's catch some fish. So we just finished catching some fish, saw some dolphins. We saw the second largest bird in North America, the American white pelican, and now we're pulling a crab trap. Sorry about the lighting. I know that sun is blaring right at you. Oh, cool. Got a stone crab. You'll learn all about this crab trap right here, how it works, and whatever we catch, we take out and get a good look at it. I'm not gonna tell you all much of anything because you're gonna have to book a trip to learn more, but I'm telling you, the facts about these critters are fascinating. Now, normally we pull up directly onto the beach so you can walk down to the boneyard, but it's just me on the boat today, and when the tide is right, we can pull up to this little dock over here. That sun is bright, hello, and explore the maritime forest. That tide is coming in. That marsh will be filling up shortly. You gotta love this time of year. So many of the flowering plants are blooming. Now we're in the maritime forest where we can see the hardwoods, the softwoods, palmettos, all kinds of shrubbery. Just so much diversity here when it comes to plant life. And this is usually the highlight for people, the stunning Boneyard Beach. Absolutely gorgeous out here. So if you're interested in learning about these dynamic locations and seeing them firsthand, book a trip. You can contact us at www.nature-tours.com. Hope to see you out on the water.